Do you want to personalize your PC and give your mouse cursor a new look? In today's video, I will walk you through exactly how to change your cursor style in Windows 11 using the built-in settings step by step. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to click on the Start menu and then you need to go to the settings of your device. Once you are in your settings, you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on the option of Bluetooth and devices. Now here in Bluetooth and devices, you need to just scroll down and then click on the option of mouse. Now in mouse, you need to again scroll down and click on the option of additional mouse settings. Now as soon as you click on the additional mouse settings option, a small window will be open in front of you, and this is where you will be able to manage your cursors. Now in the new window, you need to go to the pointers tab. Over here under schemes, you need to click on this drop down menu and explore the different styles like Windows default, inverted, or Windows black, that is larger for high visibility. After selecting it, you need to simply click on this apply now option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and your cursor changes instantly. If you want to change just the arrow or the loading icon, you can click on the one that you want to replace. For that, you can hit browse and choose a new .cur or .ani file from the list. Then click on the apply button and this gives you full control over every cursor state. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.